Hi everyone, and welcome back to RX Explained. I'm your host, Emily Carter, and today we're talking about a new and exciting medication that's making waves in the world of weight management, Zepbound. Zepbound is the brand name for Tirzepatide, a once-weekly injection that was originally developed for type 2 diabetes under the name Mounjaro. In 2023, the FDA approved Zepbound specifically for chronic weight management in adults with obesity, or those who are overweight and have at least one weight-related condition, such as high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, or high cholesterol. So Zepbound is not just a diabetes medication, it's also a powerful tool for helping certain patients lose weight and improve their health. Zepbound is a dual GIP and GLP-1 receptor agonist. That means it mimics two hormones that your body naturally produces after eating. These hormones help regulate blood sugar, slow down digestion, and signal to your brain that you're full. The result? You feel satisfied sooner, eat less, and your body becomes more efficient at processing sugar and fat. Zepbound is approved for adults who have a BMI of 30 or greater, which is considered obese, or a BMI of 27 or greater if they also have a weight-related condition. It's not for short-term use or cosmetic weight loss. This is a medication designed for people who need help managing their weight long-term, alongside lifestyle changes like diet and exercise. Now let's talk benefits and what people are seeing in real life. In clinical trials, patients taking Zepbound lost an average of 15 to 20% of their body weight over the course of about a year, when combined with healthy eating and activity. That's a significant amount, and for many people it means improvements in blood pressure, blood sugar, cholesterol, and overall energy. But as with any medication, it's not all sunshine and smooth sailing. Let's talk about side effects. The most common side effects are gastrointestinal, and they can include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea or constipation, abdominal discomfort, loss of appetite. These symptoms are usually mild to moderate and tend to improve over time. But it's important to call your healthcare provider if symptoms are severe or persistent. There are some rare but serious risks too, including pancreatitis, inflammation of the pancreas, gallbladder problems, thyroid tumors, including a rare type called medullary thyroid carcinoma. Zepbound is not recommended for people with a personal or family history of certain types of thyroid cancer or MEN2 syndrome. Always talk to your doctor about your medical history before starting this medication. Zepbound is given once a week as a subcutaneous injection. That means it goes just under the skin, usually in the stomach, thigh, or upper arm. It comes in pre-filled pens, and your doctor will train you on how to use it. You can take it any time of day with or without food, but try to take it on the same day each week. Dosage usually starts low, 2.5 milligrams once weekly, and increases slowly over several weeks, up to a maximum of 15 milligrams, depending on how you tolerate it. This gradual increase helps reduce side effects. So what's the bottom line? Zepbound is a powerful option for weight management, especially for people who've struggled with traditional methods alone. It's not a magic fix, but when used responsibly and under a doctor's care, it can be life-changing. If you think Zepbound might be right for you, have a conversation with your healthcare provider. They'll help you decide what's safe and effective for your unique situation. Thanks for watching RX Explained. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. I'm Emily Carter, and I'll see you next time with more simplified science, straight from the pharmacy to you.